Hello everyone, my name is Sadigha Heydari and I'm a third year pharmacy student here at ISU's College of Pharmacy at the Meridian campus. I'm originally from Afghanistan, but I spent the majority of my life here in Boise, Idaho. So deep down, I've always liked pharmacy, but I didn't realize that for a very long time until I started to think about what I wanted to do after I finished my bachelor's degree at BSU. I was talking to my husband about my experiences translating for my family growing up and how I was always interested in how the drug worked or how it would help, things like that. So he suggested I look into pharmacy, and that's when I started researching about it and started shadowing at different sites. Some things I like to do in my free time are spend time with my family by exploring Idaho, playing with my 3-year-old son, cooking, drawing, and watching movies. There are several great things about ISU's College of Pharmacy, from the leadership opportunities to the community outreach programs to good quality education. But my favorite part about the program is how supportive and caring the faculty and staff have been since the beginning. I've had to face a lot of personal challenges since I've started the pharmacy's program, and to know that there are so many people here at the college who have your best interest in mind and who want you to succeed. I don't have a specific career goal in mind, but some areas that I've been interested in are psychiatrics, ambulatory care, or pediatrics. And that's what's so amazing about pharmacy. The opportunities are endless. My advice to anyone who wants to apply to the pharmacy program is to do your research. Research about the field and what opportunities it has in store for you. Research about the program you're applying for, and try reaching out to the current students and ask them questions. That's about it. I wish you guys all the best and good luck.